Kim Seon-ho from Startup in Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. He played the protagonist there, and Seo Ye-ji from the lead protagonist, the lead actress from It's Okay Not to Be Okay. They got the #1 popularity of Bang Sing Award on TikTok last May 2021. But unfortunately, both of them landed in a controversy because we thought that she was very bossy, she was very forceful, and she was controlling many things, and we thought that maybe he was controlling her girlfriend and the decision just happened. But there is a twist in this story recently, that there is a Instagram anonymous person that has been telling that once the actors are nothing, they go to the agency and the agency accept them and asking all their facts and everything before signing a contract. Whatever, at the end of the day, we are all human beings, so they just wanted to preserve their bad side, or we can say that the secrets, every person has it. So sometimes it is very hard. You cannot justify your personal life or your professional life. They have to go on a same paper, so it's very hard to make such kind of decisions. So this Instagram story just spread right now and went viral, that these agencies, once they find out that these actors, they have done something like this, so remember what happens with her also. All the branding and everything, whatever, they took down all the pictures also with the Kim also. What happened also, all the advertisement, everything, they just wanted to step aside from them. So the agencies, they also go through financial hurdles, and the actor as well, and especially the career is all at stake. Do they ever, because once now, after the media and everything happens, it's not the end of the game. The games begins with the actors, the talent, and the agency. So that was the post that I was reading, that are they going to squeeze all their money after they found out, oh, you didn't tell us in the contract and now things are coming like this and this. So it is a very questionable and debatable topic, that whether they have a something like risk management or something, that they both mutually come up, that if something situation happens like this, are we really willing to help each other or not? Because maybe it gets very challenging for them to get the job, and especially upcoming other projects also. Once the promoters or advertisers and all those people step away from you, it's very hard to get more dramas or more content. Hoping there is something that can change. While we are all humans and we make mistakes, not intentionally or something like that. So I hope good luck in all these things happens. I would really wanted to wish if you could learn it. So here it was, the post was something like this: celebrities who got hit negatively after they tried to leave their agency, but these are only the revealed cases. There are a lot more unrevealed cases where celebrities' knees crumble down. It's because I saw that happen directly. During their contract years starting, the reason that they are managing all possible risks. The agency makes the celebrity reveal everything to them and discuss things with them first. And then when the celebrity tries to leave the agency, they have hold on the celebrities and they shake them up everything so that they will finish empty or something like that. So I believe that there are things that need to be discussed in their content also. While now they are going, the multitudes are watching now, and it's a greater audience. So they have to, this is the critical situation or critical point. They have to find out that if they have internal rifts or some weaknesses, they have to come with the solution and overcome all those barriers that are creating all these controversies. Let's hoping for the best, and take care of yourself, and peace. Bye bye.